Morning peeps, what's up? What do you do, man? You know what it is, it's King Chevy right now. Yo, just here come. So I'm gonna just go on a rundown how the place look in the morning. So I don't know the morning routine, but I nearly did from my yard because I wasn't home. So yes, apparently I drive go home now. And stuff, yep, but if I go hill this morning, but I never get to. So kinda hectic. I'm at work tomorrow, so I'm not have much for do today. And just rest, you know, help out in the house and stuff. Cook as well. So you don't know the chef in the building, is it? Chef of preparing food. See me? So yeah. And yeah, the morning I go alright, the place kinda chilly. Then when it's in Jamaica could have really have this coolest state in the early morning, but you know. Yeah, I'll show you how I go still. But yeah, you know the things that so that's like I'm making to see how like some view and thing or the place look pretty and all these things. Cause Jamaica have some pretty part of it. Nobody really get the chance to explore it like that. But you don't know from my viewers them and I see what you know the place is nice already. Jamaica is a place to be, you know. Yep, it is. There's a lot of big houses here and all these things that look really interesting and fun. So yeah, it's just around the world that I like the thing. So just like a drive around and show them how the place look in general. So now I see, let me talk. See me? So stay tuned. Yeah, so see that we just a stroller go home right now. People are driving, people are jogging thing on the road, so you understand them people. So yeah, beach, wilderness, hectic. Place kind of wilderness and look kind of different, so if I understand how the place look. It's crazy, but nice view, not really see much, but people are jogging, so I understand. Yeah. Place quiet, you want? Just reach. Oh, lovely. Get some jelly, is it? Some jelly man. I said 154, right? Yes, one nice one. Welcome. Alright, people. Fuck. Get some jelly in the morning. Jelly truck. Yeah man, in the morning there's be a mosquito out there, man. Yeah, let's go ahead. You go hotel over this yeah, up on the beach for this. Yeah. Anyway, jogging set. Oh, it's so funny, isn't it? Woke up in a jelly, man, and I buy a jelly in the morning. Yeah, them say jelly good for you, so you have to drink your jelly, isn't it? Yeah, so you don't know things that drive see man, still a cruise. The Hellshire, you know, Hellshire isn't it? Yeah, so really want to take a picture of the vehicle right now, set a certain way. I mean, I know which part, but if me I'll find a spot. Just want a proper picture, isn't it? And apparently I can't find a spot where I can go. So I'm gonna take a picture right there with the car. Right here, isn't it? Facing this way. Perfect. If not mistaken. And just keep doing this instead. You can get a decent picture. Is it? Relax and fun. Yeah. Just to take a picture of the car. See me? Thing. Yeah. Clean. Yeah. So, that's how it's. Car up. Is it? Keep it clean now, you know. Place kind of dead. There's some bushes, trees, everything. So, yeah, that's it. Bear in mind that Zodi must have played on that place kind of quiet. So, yeah. It can be real, you know, and things. So, that's it. Yo, look at that pretty, yo, the new highway we built in Jamaica. Clean, brother. Yo, what's up, guys? You know what it is? KINGCHEVYVLOG. I have to admire the view a while ago. Yeah, dog. So I'm earning my drive, go home from work and stuff, you know, to the holiday. So, yeah, keep it real, that's it. Out.
Yeah.